Stay tuned to see how I achieve these beautiful twists. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is all about these beautiful spring twists, kinky twists, passion twists, whatever you want to call them. These are absolutely gorgeous. Definitely done spring twists before, but this color is popping. This video is sponsored by Janet Collection. I use the Afro Nala Tress 3 times Afro Spring hair. This is the 36-inch, and this hair is pre-separated, pre-fluffed, which makes twisting so much easier. And this is in the color OET 1B30. Absolutely love the color and the twist. So there are a variety of things that you can do with this hair, as you can see from the card here. So I definitely will be trying some more styles, but this was the first style that I did with this hair. So stay tuned so that you can see how I got this style. So this is what the package of hair looks like. It comes in a pack of 3, and each pack has 6 strands, and they are pre-stretched. Again, this is the 36-inch. I did cut it in half for the spring twist look, and I also separated each piece in half. So let me show you what the pieces look like. This is what is left out of one of the packs that I had. And again, the hair comes pre-stretched, which cuts down on your styling time tremendously, which I absolutely loved. So they're easy to pull apart. So I took one piece and I split it in half. So I split the piece in half, and then I took this half and cut it in half. And that is how I achieved this look here. So I'm gonna give you a quick 360, and then I'll show you how I did it. And again, this is the 36-inch cut in half. Absolutely love these twists. Let me show you how you can get these too. Okay, so for starters, you're going to need a crochet hook. You are going to insert the crochet hook underneath the rubber band. Then you're going to grab your piece of hair. You're going to fold it in half, make a little loop that you're going to attach to the crochet hook. Once you attach it to the crochet hook, you're going to close the latch, and then you're going to pull it through. While you're pulling it through, you're going to hold on to one side just to make it easier. Then you can take the crochet hook off, and then the hair should slide back and forth. You want to make sure that you even it out. Then you're going to take your hair in the middle, tighten it up a little bit, and then you're going to add some sort of edge control or gel to your hair to make it easier to blend. So now you're going to split your hair in half and put one piece with one side of the spring twist hair and one piece with the other side. And then you're going to take both pieces. You are going to twist going towards the left, not towards the right, because it will not turn out right. So you're going to turn the hair and twist it around each other. Turn the hair, twist it around each other. Turn the hair, twist it around each other. And you're going to do this all the way down to the bottom. As you're turning and twisting the hair, you are going to continue to add some of that edge control or gel onto the hair just to keep everything in place. So I'm not going to do too much talking during this part of the video. I'm just going to let you watch what I do. I'll do it slow down for you and then it'll speed up a bit. I will link the videos that I've done, a couple of other spring twists in the cards above, so make sure you check those out as well. So I'm going to just repeat those same steps on the rest of this section. So this whole process from start to finish took about 4 hours, maybe 4.5. The longest part of the process was sectioning off my hair. As you can see, I'm working in very small sections. So the sectioning part took the longest time. The actual twisting was actually a piece of cake. Twisting is easy, and because the hair is already pre-stretched and pre-separated, it made the time so much easier. I absolutely love twisting with this Janet Collection hair. It is so easy to twist with. The color is so amazing. I'm just in love. I can't wait to create more styles with this. So let me know in the comments section if you've done the spring twist, Afro twist, kinky twist before, and if you've used this hair from Janet Collection. Also, let me know in the comment section what style you want to see me do next with this hair. Here's a quick tip. You want to make sure that the hair is all the way on the hook when you try to pull it through, because if not, you'll get a little fail moment like I just did. So make sure the hair is all the way on the hook and make sure the hook is closed up before pulling it through. You definitely want to have your favorite music playing or your favorite series to binge watch while you're doing this. As you can see, me looking to the side was definitely binge watching some shows. So have something to do just to make the time go by a little bit quicker. I am so pleased the way this turned out. Spring twist, kinky twist, passion twist. These are absolutely my favorite protective style to do on myself. And this color is so bomb. Absolutely love it. Hope you guys have learned some new techniques from this video. Hope you've been inspired to try a protective style of your own. Please comment down below if you've tried this style, if you're going to try this style. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.